just gone.
It's off to a great start. Hey guys, it's Cindy and welcome back to my channel. So we're... It's not, look at it, took the icing off. We're off to a great start. So for today's video, as you can tell by the title, is an assisted with wine gingerbread making video. Jenny's already struggling and it's fine, we're fine.
I think I'm just gonna make half a house.
I'm sweating. Can you put the air on?
It's like...
Yeah, so we're just gonna get right into it, but don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram, follow Jenny on Instagram, and enjoy. I don't really know.
You know what my favorite thing to eat is?
What? Icing?
Yes, with graham crackers.
Like this? Oh wait, that's gingerbread.
Well, similar, but like actual graham crackers.
Just like that.
Just dip it in.
Dip it in what?
Icing.
You dip graham cracker in icing?
Oh my god, it's amazing. Comment down below if you eat gingerbread, or not gingerbread. Graham crackers and icing. Okay, I think she's gonna hold, but it doesn't look promising.
Is it
Do you see that?
Not okay.
Wait, can you hold that? Oh, did you see that?
Maybe like
I know that's what I'm gonna do, but I gotta push this down. I'm gonna use all my icing just building the house.
Yeah. I got pre-built ones
and
literally for this reason, so we could save like our icing and like time and stuff. But
okay.
I don't even have a vision right now. I'm just gonna like go in and let the wine be my vision. You know what I mean? Look, it's cracked. I feel like they didn't give us enough supplies. I feel undersupplied.
I feel like they broke my house.
Yeah.
And all of my feelings.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Why did you just...
I don't know. Well, should I get a blow dryer?
Maybe. I don't want to do that. I just messed up already. This video's a flop.
Look at it. It's like, do you see that?
Yeah.
It's
Maybe
like,
just like keep going and ignore it.
But like it's gonna fall off if I don't hold it.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try.
I'm literally just copying the design already on the house.
They're so pretty. I wonder what this tastes like.
Ew. This is like so not working at all.
This is a great idea. Oh, cute!
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay. It's a lot of gulps. Do you just try to burp and then couldn't?
Yeah. No. Baby bird. Oh wait. She's ready.
Sorry. This is so
I gave
ugly.
Sydney a really good idea, actually, though.
Look at it's like cute. Cheers. Ew! It's so hard. What? You don't want it to be that way. I can eat it. This is like hard as a rock. This is gingerbread. It's like supposed to be. Ew, you're gonna break your teeth.
She's gonna go over there.
So,
I'm gonna just waste the icing.
Jenny got half a house. And
She cute though.
I have no creativity.
I really like ceramics. So
I really like ceramics. Yeah. Wait, is he calling?
Danny.
Oh.
Hello? What?
Oh, I'm gonna do the thing
I
where
wasted
you
like
like
half my icing trying to put it back.
where you like make the icing drip so it looks like icicles. Like oh my god, real
fancy. How's it going?
Anna, say hi.
Hello.
All the friends are here. Steven's here too.
If I sit over here, am I in the way?
Nah, you're good. Okay.
Okay. That's better, right?
Oh, yeah.
So I should stick.
Holy shit, that's huge.
Oh yeah.
What?
Looks like a
We
propane tank.
We mean
What?
business.
Oh,
the wine. So we got this
$12.
$11 for this guy.
It almost sounds like a jar of pee.
Yeah, it does.
What candy should we use next? Okay, should we go with the small balls, medium balls, or the big peppermint?
What's your vision? Create your vision. Live your truth. What? I don't know.
What are you talking? Okay, we're gonna go with the medium.
I'm like sweating so much right now. Because I'm really. Oh wait, I was gonna tell a story. Story time. My mom kept a gingerbread house that I made when I was 6 years old, and she kept it. Literally, we were going through the house when like I was moving out here to like go to school. So when I was 18, and she found it in our basement, and it was like hard as a rock and like fine. Like it wasn't moldy. Nothing was wrong with it.
That's disturbing.
And it was literally how many years is that? From 6 to 18? I can't do math on the spot.
So
like,
don't eat these. They're poison.
how many is that? What? 12?
I was gonna say 30.
Yeah.
So I'll say that adds up for me.
So that's 12 years, and like, if that doesn't scare you about like preservatives, like I don't know what will.
It's poison.
I'm basically the cake boss right now.
Carlos.
Getting a little bit ahead of ourselves.
You can. Doesn't this look cute? Look at wait.
Jennifer, can I use this?
There's a big old knot.
This thing's easier to pour.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I'm gonna finish it.
Okay. That's my icicle.
Do you like to save your corks?
No.
Cute.
Okay.
Oh, we should save our corks. That'd be cute. I don't know. Wait, let's all say our highs and lows of the day.
Oh my god, it was such a good day. I'll go first.
Okay.
Okay, well, hi. Because my last day of my internship, but it was a good high. They gave me 2 cakes, and we went to eat for lunch, and I got like a goodbye going away party. But the low is that I'm not working anymore. And I don't have a job, so hire me.
So Jenny flicking this video is really gonna help her out.
Good God. Don't look at this video.
Basically.
This is not me.
So my high of the day was when I was hungover eating Taco Bell on the couch and watching New Girl. It was like actually a very good time. Sounds like a low, but it was high. And the low is just overall being very hungover all day today. But here I am drinking more, and that's how you get rid of a hangover, I hear. So
True.
here's to that.
Those few times.
Look, I put some like snow is falling into it.
Really creating like, just like what's the word I'm looking for? I don't know.
Do you see all this? I think it's broken.
I think it is too. I'm dying.
Your squirter?
Look at it. Look at it. It's.
Oh, you have a leak on the side.
Yeah. Jenny's struggling.
Your wine's really.
Oh my god, look at that. What just happened?
Jenny, you're just going crazy. You're stressing me out.
These are fatty.
Okay, does everyone want to see?
I have so much anxiety right now.
Does everyone want to see?
Yeah, show. Oh my gosh.
What I did to the other side?
It looks like a snowed in house, like an abandoned house
Right?
that has, it's like snowed in.
This side looks fine.
Yeah, but look at this one.
Yeah, but it's just a little blizzard action or something.
Yeah. Ooh, look at that circle. Great, ready, watch. It's so satisfying. Oh fuck! I got it.
Look at it.
The one drop. Jenny's on the struggle bus and I'm just living my truth.
Oh my!
I'm gonna take a little bit of this. Did you just drop the ice? Or like drip it?
Not my carpet!
Mine's looking great. I don't know about you, but like. Look at the difference in this right now. It's dripping off. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna bring this to my mom, and she's gonna be like so happy.
She'll probably save it.
For another 12 years. I'm focusing so much. Can't have that. Can't have that.
Can't always be perfect.
All right, we got this set at Target. It was $10 and not worth it.
nice for $10.
Well, I mean, like, yeah, but
Gingerbread house is $10.
I actually don't know. What's the average retail cost for a gingerbread house these days? These are trees.
It has hard eyes.
These have trees. I didn't realize they were trees. I thought they were like lemons, or
Lemon trees?
Lemons. They're green.
limes.
Why would it be a lime?
I don't know. You know, like the lime, like
It's like
candies, like the. Have you ever seen those? I thought it was that. Okay, I'm done. Bye. Ooh, should I like make it like snow? There's snow, like on like the driveway. You know.
Sure. I think she looks okay. You know?
This video is gonna be so funny to edit because we're not even like really talking. We're just struggling the entire time.
I'm so.
But look at, I have icicles. I'm so creative.
Don't laugh.
You're so creative too. You really just got
I
that
just put that
eye.
on the icing.
Jenny really has a knack for
He looks like a sad face.
Where?
Your door. The front of it looks like a sad face. Do you see it?
Yeah, it's kind of creepy.
It's like Monster House, right? That's
Yeah. You look sad.
I need to like watch
the
it
Muppet
again.
Man. I love Shrek. I think I watched it like last week.
When what's his name? Oh, fuck.
Donkey?
Yeah.
Donkey.
When he's like in the, well, this is Shrek 3? 2? The one where they're in the castle. I don't know. When they're
That's
like
the first, when they're rescuing Fiona.
no. This is the second, the one with the cat. The Puss in Boots.
Oh, it's like the second one, right?
Yeah. But when they're in the carriage and he's like
He's
he's
like,
like
Shrek is just such an
movie.
underrated movie. Like it literally is so amazing. And there's so many like dirty like adult jokes in it too.
I need to watch it now because I haven't seen it.
Yeah.
It's on Netflix.
Like, yeah.
5 ever.
It's on Netflix, it's so
How does it look? What do we rate it? A D? A D for
2 stars.
difficult?
for difficult.
D for don't do that again.
Level difficult.
E for you're done.
Yeah, you're finished.
Are you?
Which one best represents you? It could be like a personality test. Okay.
Oh.
Mm.
We're just gonna finish.
It says joy.
Joy to the world for wide is oh. Yeah, so I think that's it for this video. I don't really know.
It kind of failed on us.
Yeah.
On me. Not
I mean-
on you.
Jenny's house just really gave her a hard time.
So pretty in the front.
So comment below which one.
Which party scene in the back? You know what I'm saying?
Comment what mood you are.
This looks like a frat party.
No, what's that one movie called about like the crazy
Project
party?
X.
Project
No.
X.
This is the
Oh,
Project
yeah,
X house.
Project X house.
Gingerbread
Before,
house.
after.
Mhm.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, please, and subscribe, please, if you haven't already, and follow us on Instagram, please.
And comment what house you are more like.
Comment what represents you.
Twist it around.
Little gingerbread house tour. Eat, drink, and be merry, and have Merry Christmas. Peace. Bye.